An hour ago, Governor Cooper issued a state of emergency in North Carolina. The goal is to ease storm preparations for communities all across our state.
Our Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie live outside the governor's mansion with a look at how some places that are prone to flooding, Laura, are getting ready.
Lena and Danny, as you'd expect, communities along the North Carolina coast are bracing for, rough surf, dangerous rip currents, overwash, even possibly a storm surge as Ian moves up the coast from Florida. What might surprise you is that communities at the other end of the state in the North Carolina mountains are preparing for the storm just as much, if not more. Governor Roy Cooper said emergency officials' most serious concern about Ian is the possibility of flooding, especially in the mountains in western North Carolina.
We know that the potential for landslides in the mountains and flooding in the mountains is always a real thing. And we know from Tropical Storm Fred just a number of months ago the devastation that it can cause.
Zeb Smathers is mayor of Canton in Haywood County, where Fred hit hard in August of 2021.
In the Canton community, we lost 6 people, over 300 homes lost, our entire river district destroyed, and I lost my town hall, my police station, and my fire station. On top of the town pool, our community center.
The last hurricanes to hit the North Carolina mountains before that were in 2004. 2 storms passed through within 10 days of each other. Smathers says as bad as that was, Fred last year was worse. It was only a tropical storm, but it was heavy with rain from the warm Gulf of Mexico when it hit the mountains, and it moved very slowly.
The biggest difference between the floods of 04 and 21 was the intensity of the storm. There were homes that got hit in 04 that got flooded. This time around, they do not exist. And when I mean do not exist, you could not find where that home was located. Foundation, every part of it just gone.
Smathers says they've already made substantial progress in recovery, but now they find themselves putting out the sandbags once again. Governor Cooper said today that there is some good news for the state. There's not a lot of wet ground. In fact, some areas are in drought. So emergency officials are really hoping that flooding impacts in most places in the state, aside from the mountains, of course, and the coast, will be minimal. Back to you, Dan.
We can hope. The forecast is looking favorable now, but good to see people are prepared. Laura Leslie reporting live. Thank you.